Hello everyone. In this question, it is given that if fx equal to 3 times sin x minus cos x whole thing raised to the power 4 plus 6 times sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 times sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x and f of pi by 7 is equal to 13, then we have to find the value of f of 2 pi upon 7. Okay, so let us start. We are given an expression for fx, which is 3 times sin x minus cos x raised to the power 4 plus 6 times sin x plus cos x square plus 4 times sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so first of all, in the first term, this can be written as sin x minus cos x whole square squared again, right? This is raised to the power 4, so we can write it like this. Similarly, if we expand the whole square here, this becomes sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x, right? And for the last term here, we can write it as sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. Okay, now for the first term here, we expand the a minus b whole square formula, so this becomes sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. Okay, this is a minus b whole square and there is a square over that. Similarly, for the second term, sin square x plus cos square x is 1, right? And this 2 sin x cos x is nothing but sin 2x. So this is the second term. And then in the third term, this is a cube plus b cube. So it can be factorized as a plus b, which is sin square x plus cos square x, a plus b times a square, so this is sin to the power 4x, minus ab, so this is minus sin square x cos square x plus b square, so this is cos to the power 4x. Okay, this is the expansion of a cube plus b cube, a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square, right? So let us continue. We have sin square x plus cos square x, this will become 1 minus 2 sin x cos x will become sin 2x, right? So 1 minus sin 2x whole square plus 6 times 1 plus sin 2x plus 4 times this first term will become 1, right? So this just becomes sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x minus sin square x cos square x. So if we expand the a minus b whole square again in the first term, this becomes 1 minus 2 sin 2x plus sin square 2x, and I'm keeping the second term as it is so far. So this is 6 times 1 plus sin 2x, and here again for the first two terms I can use a square plus b square. Okay, this is nothing but a square plus b square, the first two terms, and I'm keeping this term as it is for the time being. So now we have on expanding the first term, this becomes 3 minus 3 times 2 is 6 sin 2x plus 3 sin square 2x, and I'm opening the second term also, this becomes 6 plus 6 sin 2x plus 4 times this is a square plus b square, right? So this is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab ab. Okay, this is just this expansion, a square plus b square, and then we have an additional minus sin square x cos square x. Okay, minus sin square x cos square x. So now if you look carefully, this minus 6 sine 2x and this plus 6 sine 2x, these cancel each other. Okay, so we have this 3 plus 6 becomes 9. Okay, 9 plus 3 times sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x, right? So this is 2 sine x cos x whole squared plus 4 times this sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So this is 1 square. So 4 times 1 minus this becomes 3 sine square x cos square x, right? So this becomes 3 plus this is 2 square, right? 2 square is 4. 4 times 3 is 12 sine square x cos square x. And then expanding the last term, we have 4 times 1 is 4 minus 4 times 3 sine square x cos square x. So this becomes minus 12 sine square x times cos square x. Okay, so we see that this plus and minus 12 sine square x cancel each other. So we are left with 9 plus 4. So this is 13. Okay, so we see that the entire expansion of fx reduces to 13. So we see that fx is a constant function, right? Therefore, f of x is a constant function. Okay, so implies f of x is 13 and we can substitute any real x here. The value will not change. Okay, so we have f of pi upon 7 is equal to f of 2 pi upon 7, and we can have any other values, and each of these values is equal to 13. Okay, so this is the required final answer. We were given this value, right? We are given f of pi upon 7. So pi upon 7 is also 13, and we were asked to find this value of 2 pi upon 7. Okay, this will also be 13 since this is a constant function. Okay, so graph will be parallel to x-axis. Okay, so this is the required answer. The only part that was a bit lengthy was the computation. Okay, computation of this expansion, trigonometric expansion. The rest is very solvable and easy. Okay, so this is it. If there is any doubt, you can pause the video also. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching.